Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Concept Class. Today, we'll dive into one of the most fascinating branches of artificial intelligence, computer vision. Have you ever wondered how your phone unlocks with your face? Or how Google Photos automatically recognizes your friends? That's all possible because of computer vision. It's a technology that allows computers to see and understand pictures and videos, just like we humans do, using our eyes and brain. Let's define it clearly. Computer vision is the branch of AI that teaches computers how to see and understand what they're looking at. When we look at a photo, our brain instantly recognizes faces, colors, and shapes. But for a computer, it's just numbers, representing brightness and color of pixels. Through AI, the computer learns to connect those numbers with real-world objects, like a car, a tree, or a person. Just like humans use their eyes and brain together, a computer uses a camera as its eyes and AI algorithms as its brain. First, it captures an image. Then it processes it and looks for important features like lines, edges, or colors. Next, it identifies what's in the image, maybe a person, or a car, or a traffic light. And finally, it takes an action, like stopping a car or unlocking your phone. That entire process, from seeing to acting, is what we call computer vision. When we look at a picture, we see shapes, colors, and patterns. But for a computer, it's just a collection of numbers, called pixels. Each pixel represents brightness or color. If it's a black and white image, each pixel is a single number between 0 and 255. If it's a color image, each pixel has three numbers for red, green, and blue. So before understanding an image, AI must first read and analyze all these numbers. When you look at a picture of a cat, you instantly notice its eyes, whiskers, and tail, not every single pixel. That's exactly what AI does. During feature extraction, it looks for key clues like edges, patterns, and textures that define an object. By focusing on these important features, AI can later recognize whether the image contains a cat, a dog, or something else. Once the computer knows what features to look for, it can start detecting specific objects. For example, in a traffic camera, I can spot cars and people and highlight them using boxes. This process is called object detection. It helps in counting, tracking, and identifying objects, whether it's vehicles on roads or products in a warehouse. Segmentation is like dividing an image into smaller, meaningful parts. Imagine looking at a beautiful scenery. Segmentation helps AI separate the sky, the trees, and the road into different areas. This makes it easier for the AI to study each part accurately. It's especially useful in self-driving cars or in medical image analysis. Computer vision isn't just theory, it's already part of our daily lives. When your phone recognizes your face, that's computer vision. When a Tesla car detects pedestrians, that's computer vision. Doctors use it to detect tumors in X-rays, and farmers use it to monitor crop health from drones. It's used in factories, airports, hospitals, and even in your social media filters. Computer vision truly connects AI to the real, visible world. Like every technology, computer vision also has its pros and cons. It can analyze thousands of images in seconds, something humans could never do. But if the training data is biased or poor, the AI might misinterpret what it sees, and in areas like surveillance, it raises privacy and ethical questions. How much should AI really see about us? So, yes, it's powerful, but it must be used responsibly. To summarize, computer vision bridges the gap between the digital world and the real world. It helps machines analyze what they see and make smart decisions based on it. From face recognition to self-driving cars, computer vision is transforming the way we live. And as future AI innovators, you'll be the ones to make it even better, ethically and intelligently. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.